Wait, what's wrong with you? No, you're... Yeah, no, you're... I want you to prioritize... Wait, what? Wait, can you only gather? Ah, shit. Dean. Ah, fuck, Dean. Come back, Dean. Sue can only gather. Okay. Sue. Gather zone. We're gonna send you to the quarry. No. We're gonna send you to Tropical Island. No. Send you to Cliffs. Copper. Done. Oh, shit, someone left. We need to catch our other person. That moolah.
Great. Nice.
Looking for armor. Let me find that. Find that for you. Samurai helmet. Damn! Just made $2 grand off that. Oh! Nope. Go, go, go. Gotta catch her, gotta catch her, gotta catch her. Where'd she go? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, Glean. You need to start on that tomorrow. The store's open right now. Gotta line up. Somehow she's working on them right now. Shoot. And there. Now we got VIPs coming in. Oh damn, a lot more people are. Oh, his budget's 353. He's got 693.